Not Rivers State. Andoni says we start with Sim Fubara. Andoni start.
So, you go, that's what Timu and then will be honor.
Yeah, we have Asawana. Asakwa. No Rivers State. Asawana. Aisa.
Channel TV, we want this thing to be live. Show you.
Nobody worry, nobody. Simnalaye Fubara is a true son of Andoni.
Yes, sir.
Here is the road that was initiated, flagged off by the government of Dr. Peter Odili in 2005. The road remained uncompleted. It remained abandoned until our brother came to the saddle. In less than 6 months. In less than 6 months, we can all drive to Andoni. The headquarters of Andoni, even though we cannot drive down. We have all driven through to this place. Why should we not be happy? Why should we not support such a man? Why should we not support such a character? The past 8 years, I had said it before, and I have not been contradicted, that not even a toilet was commissioned in Andoni local government.
Confirm.
Despite our huge support, despite our sacrifices,
Like number of votes.
despite the 92,000 votes that we delivered in 2019, despite the over 72,000 votes we delivered in 2015, not one single project was delivered in Andoni. We stand to be contradicted. If anyone has a project commissioned by the Rivers State government within the past 8 years, they should come forth and contradict us. It is the understanding of all of this that has put us behind our brother, who we voted massively for. And we will continue to support him. We want to thank His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic, who, despite all odds, despite the constitutional contradictions, I have a law. I have sworn to uphold and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic and the laws. So despite the constitutional contradictions, Mr. President has urged us, and His Excellency had made all the sacrifices that can be made to ensure that there is peace. But some people want to preach that peace.
We, as a people, who were part of the process that guaranteed that Siminalayi Fubara will be the governor of Rivers State. And he is the governor of Rivers State. A few weeks back, there was an attempt to truncate that which we declared. There was an attempt to nullify all our efforts. And it was championed by one of our sons. The one that we voted to go to the House of Assembly at the same time with Siminalayi Fubara. There are lots of insinuations here and there. So we have come to let the entire world know that Siminalayi Fubara remains the governor of Rivers State. That he earned our votes. He was not handpicked. He was not just nominated. Several insinuations are out there that one man made him governor. That is not correct. Siminalayi was voted for at the primaries which held at Obiwale Cultural Center. He emerged victorious at the primaries. We went around the 23 local government areas of Rivers State, presenting him to our people. Other candidates did the same. At the end of the day, majority of Rivers people, majority of the constituents, majority of the electorate in Andoni expressed their preference for Siminalayi Fubara as our governor. So we are not in support of any attempt to declare the contrary, especially when nothing has been so declared as gross misconduct as enabled by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Nothing, absolutely nothing has been so declared. He asked the question himself. We are also joined him to ask the questions. What is my offense? And I think we have gone past 6 weeks, if not more. And nobody has been able to tell us what the offense of our governor has been. Rather, we had things about structure. I don't know whether it is I don't know. Political structures are always inherited by whoever becomes the political leader. And that has also been defined to us who a political leader should be in this circumstance. It's been defined, even by those who had felt otherwise. So we have come today to further reaffirm our commitment, our resolve, our choice of one man to be the governor of Rivers State. As the sailors will say, two captains can never sail a ship. It is the turn of Siminalayi Fubara. Every other hand must be on deck to ensure a smooth sail of the ship. The president is our leader as far as this country, Nigeria, is concerned. He has intervened to guarantee peace. And our governor had told all of us that he's going to implement whatever it was that the president has asked for. It's not as if it was a resolution. It wasn't a resolution. It's not as if you give in this, you take this. No. It was a directive by Mr. President. And our governor had, well, for the purpose of peace, that nothing is too high, nothing is too precious to be sacrificed for the peace of Rivers State. Without peace, there can be no development. He's desirous of development. Yes. To the extent that he has accepted to implement those resolutions, we are comfortable with it.